Hello, my smart learners. I'm Shitata Budani, an English teacher from Saraswati Bal Mandir School, Rajouri Garden, and I'm here with my first ever tutorial video. Today, we'll be learning about the writing skills topic of poster making. We'll be doing it with the help of slides, and I'll be showing you the format and some of the examples and would also explain them to you. So, be ready with your pens and notebooks.
Poster making. What is a poster? First of all, we need to understand this. A poster is anything that is basically a notice which is required for the awareness of the public, which describes or which tells them about the program, about the event. It can be anything. No? It can be the announcement of any upcoming event. So, this is basically an announcement in a form that is very much eye catching or it is very attractive for the general public. There are many posters in the newspapers, in the magazines, they are put up on the walls, on the notice boards. And if you realize, whenever we open a newspaper or a magazine, it is so attractive that as and when we are just going through the pages of the newspaper and this suddenly catches our attention. It is so attractive. So the poster should be, the first thing that is very important is that it should be very, very attractive in its design, in its outlook. So and how can we make it attractive? Now this can be made attractive by the prints or by the style of writing that is there. The print should be very, very loud, as is written here in the slide. It should be very bold enough, which can be seen from a distance also. And the message that is given in the notice or this poster should be very clear. It should be conveyed in a very clear manner, and anybody who is you can say, even if the person is less educated, should understand the poster or the message that is being given in the poster very, very easily. It should be understood by them. Now there are certain points that should be kept in mind while designing a poster. First and foremost, who is going to be the target audience? If the people are illiterate, the message has to be given in such a manner that even if there is no content or the text matter is not written there, still it should be understood by them very easily. So the target audience is very important, whether they are students, whether they are the society people, or whether they are the slum people. The target audience should be kept in mind when the poster is being designed. Then the next point is that the language should be very simple. It should be, as I said, understood by the viewer or the reader, yet the language should be very powerful, which means that the message should be conveyed in a very, very powerful manner. The language should be simple, yet it should be powerful. Then the message has to be put in a box, and there can be many styles, many types of letters, alphabets you can use there. It can be they can be in many fonts, different fonts, in different sizes, in different styles. There you can put in italics, you can put in bolds, you can sometimes you can use all the letters in capitals, sometimes you can use them in a running hand, so different styles to be used. I'll tell you that in the examples when we do them. All these points will be very clear to you when we do the examples. Then there is going to be a word limit also, which has to be adhered, and for our class 11th and 12th exams, this is 50 words word limit. You should write it in your notes right now that the word limit for classes 11th and 12th posters is 50 words, and the marks are 4 marks. This question is for 4 marks. Then, as is written here, the last point is that the posters should always have a mass appeal. Mass means public. No, it should be appealing for the public, as I already have told you in the last slide. Now we'll do the format of a poster. As I told you, the word limit is 50 words and the marks are going to be 4 marks for this question. So you need to understand how to attempt this question. So first and foremost, the title of the poster should be there. It should be very much clear to the reader what is the message being conveyed in this poster. Why is he making this poster, or what is being read by the reader. What is the message he is getting through this poster? So the title should be very appropriate and it should be very, very clear. Then the main subject and the theme of the topic should also be there. This message, as I have already told you, the poster is always there for social awareness. So this should create social awareness when you are writing the text or you are drawing some of the images there. That at that time the concept of social awareness should be there in your mind when you write the text or you draw there. Then the slogan is a must. You have to use some impressive slogans. Now, what sort of slogans? Slogans can be safe driving is sane driving. No? Then speed thrills but kills. Pollution needs a solution. Green is clean. No? Clean Delhi, green Delhi. So these are all examples of slogans. You can use such slogans there, but a slogan and some impressive slogans are a must. Then one sketch is mandatory for the expression. Sketch means drawing. So some very, very simple drawings you have to make there. They can be in the form of stick drawings also, stick pictures, matchstick pictures, that we say matchstick figures which are there, where there is a small circle for a face and there is a line, a straight line, and then arms and feet are made with the help of lines, so those are matchstick figures. Those are known as matchstick figures. So you can use such things, or it can be even if you are showing water, if you are creating the awareness for stopping the wastage or saving the water, then you can make simple and small water droplets to show, or you can make a small basket there and show the running tap and the water is falling out of the bucket. You can just put a cross on it. You can write some do's and don'ts. So the message should be very clear, but the drawing should be very, very simple. Then the issuing authority should be definitely written. Now what is the issuing authority? Which authority or which organization or which institution is issuing this poster? This should be very clear and it should be clearly written. It can be written either at the last, in the end, or it can be written at the top as well. Like if it is the message, the poster is given by the government, Delhi government or Indian government, it can be written at the last. Issued in public interest by Delhi government, you can write in this manner. Or if it is a poster issued by a school, say, so you can directly write the name of the school at the top of the poster and ABC Public School organizes this mega event. So you can clearly write the school's name or the issuing authority at the top also. Then all of this matter should be put inside the box. That is a must. It is in the format itself. So what is there in the format? I'll repeat the points. The title is a must. The issuing authority is a must. Then the sketches are important, and The message should be very, very clear. You can use different fonts there. This is what exactly is required in a format. I'll show you and explain you through two examples. First we'll do is road safety. If you see at the end, we have already written here issued by Delhi Traffic Police, no? And at the top the title is absolutely clear. So reader immediately comes to know the topic of the poster, what it is about, and the issuing authority is also written there. Then the drawings, if you look at them, they are very, very simple. They are either in the clouds form or they are to show the road. There are some straight lines that have been shown and just two simple cards have been shown there, which shows that it is a road. There are vehicles. Then the foot over bridge is also made. It is a very, very simple drawing. Then the Delhi Traffic Police logo is also there, and there are certain do's and don'ts that have been written there. Very clear message and very, very appropriately shown. If you want, you can copy this also. Then the next example is of save water, as I was telling you. Look, this is a very simple drawing where there is a flowing tap and there is a bucket. From the bucket, the water is overflowing, which is there with a message also or a slogan also: save water, save life. And then there are certain things put in the clouds also. There are water droplets shown. There is a person in stick figures also who is washing a car, and there is a message with it to avoid the washing of cars with running water. The issuing authority is also there. So there are certain points which have been put in stars. You can make dots, you can show it anyways, right? So these are very, very simple but very impressive posters for the examples. Thank you. Hope you have understood the posters, and if you like it, if you have understood it, and if you would like to refer them to others also, please do like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much.